Hi everyone. As we know, the JEE Main 2021's dates has been released. So this video will help you to understand the process of JEE Main 2021 and latest news, etc. So first let's get to know about the JEE Mains advanced admission process. So first we'll have to fill the JEE Main application form. Next we'll have to download the JEE Main 2021 admit card once it's released. Next, you will have to appear in the JEE main exam. Next, you will have to check for JEE main result online. So the last one is in participating in the JOSSA counseling, wherein you will get the option to choose your college. Next is JEE main eligibility criteria. In this part we'll be explaining you what are all the eligibility that you should be having in order to enter JEE main. First is age. There is not any age restriction for aspirants, mainly for JEE main. Next is year of appearance in qualifying examination. Candidates who have exceeded their 12th exam or any equivalent qualifying exam in 2018 or 19 are eligible. Those who are acting in their class 12th examination or any equivalent qualifying exam in 2021 are also eligible to appear in January and April session. Candidate who passed class 12th and qualifying exam in 2018 or earlier then, as well as folks that will appear in such exam in 2021 or later, are not eligible. Next one is qualifying topics. Candidate need to have taken at least 5 subjects in magnificence 12th and qualifying exam to be eligible. Next is qualifying marks. To see in JEE mains, the minimum qualifying marks for admission to NITs, IITs, IITs and CFITs that aspirants require 75 according to sense an aggregate percentage. Our candidate out to be pinnacle of 20 percentile in the class 12 exam conducted by respective boards. Next we'll be seeing about the JEE main answer key, how we will have to approach the JEE main answer key and how to download it. First one, we will have to visit the website jeemain.nta.nic.in. Then we'll have to click on the link for answer key. Once the link opens, you'll have to enter your JEE main application number and date of birth. Once you submit the results, the answer key will be displayed online. Take its printout for your reference. Next, once you have got your answer key, you might feel that if there is anything challenging with the answer key, you can proceed it further. Here I'll tell you about some procedures to go further. The first is visit the official website. Click on the challenge and regarding answer key. Enter your registered JEE Main 2021 application number and your date of birth or password. The ID of question along with the ID of their respective correct option will appear on the screen for both paper and paper 2. Click on the checkbox of the question you want to challenge. Click on save your claim finally. The IDs of the options which are challenged will appear on your display. Upload the necessary document which upload your claim in a PDF format by clicking on choose file button on the screen. At last, you will have to pay 1000 rupees for every question you are challenged through online transaction. Next is we'll see what all document is required in order for the JEE exam. First is admit card. This is mandatory file without which candidate will not be able to take the exam. The next is sanitizer. Candidate should bring 50 ml sanitizer bottle with them during the exams. Next is ballpoint pen. The candidate should carry the pen to the exam corridor this time. Next is transparent water bottle. Candidate can carry their water bottle with them, but the only condition is that water bottle should be transparent. Next one is photograph. Candidates are asked to carry one photograph, passport size photograph to take to the center. Next one is photo ID. Authorized image ID may be required for JEE examination 2020 exam. Thank you.